Welcome everyone. Today we will set up Redux toolkit just in 4 minutes. Let's start. Open your project, and after opening, type install these two dependencies. You can find this terminal code from the description. To provide the store from anywhere of our React project or any project, we have to provide the app component. To provide it, type provide provider, and we set our app component inside of it, and we write store. Our store will be right inside there. And guess what? We don't have store yet. Go components, create a folder called Redux. You can call it anything, but I prefer to call it Redux, and create store. After creating store, write figure store, and let's create our store. Const reducer. Now we have store. So in Redux we have slices. With slices we can add different type of datas in different slice. Now let's create this slice. So write anything. Now let's call our slice user. We will store user data inside of it. But we don't have a reducer. To create reducer, create a folder inside the Redux called reducers. You can call it other things, but I prefer to call it reducers. And inside of it, create user slice. Yes, it's now import create slice component for creating slice. Right, const user create slice. So you have to name it. I'm gonna name it user again. Now we have to set initial state. Initial state. What is initial state? Initial state is the value that our user slice will have in the beginning. I will set it like an array. Let's say it's a data, and I will leave it blank. Now we may have some change in the future in our slice, so we have to create an actions for changing data inside of it. For this, write reducers. Yeah, reducers. Okay, let's add something like that. Set data to dot state and action. Think it as a function. The state is this initial state, and action will be the data we will send with set data. Okay, write state dot data is equals action dot payload. We have to export them. So write export const set data equals to user dot actions. See, we're doing something, changing something. That's why those are the action. We will add things here if we add things there. Export default or user dot reducer. So now go to the store. Now we have to import our user slice. Import user slice from users and user slice. User slice. Now we also have to export our store. Export default store. Now we have store. Now let's go to the main and import our store. At them. And that's it. Our Redux is ready.